everyone. Today we are going to be making some spiral wire charms. And we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone. Today we are going to be making some spiral charms. Wire charms. So you're going to need your anvil. Okay. You're going to need wire. Now, I don't know if I've told you this before, but when I make things with aluminum, I go and get aluminum welding wire. It's inexpensive and you can mess up as many times as you want and it won't break the bank. You're going to need your nylon hammer, flush cutters, round nose pliers, and some needle nose pliers or flathead pliers. So let's get started. First, we are going to work right off the spool. Okay. Oh, we also need our nylon pliers. Okay. So we're going to start by taking the very tip of your wire and we are going to curl it in, okay? Okay. Now we're going to give that curl just a teeny little squish, okay, with our round nose. Now we're going to take our flathead and we're just going to start working that wire around just to get it started. Okay. Now we don't want to leave marks on it. This is when we go to our nylon grip pliers. You have to have it going a bit though before you can switch. And we're going to grab these and we're just going to continue our spiral, okay? Now I want a nice size spiral, probably 4 rotations. So you should have 4 loops of wire. So see here, I've got 1, 2, 3 on this side, but only 2 on that side. So you want to make sure you've got enough on each side. And I want 4. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to keep going here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we need to keep going. This should probably be it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, great. So now we are going to take our flush cutters and we're cutting towards the spiral. We're putting the flat end towards the spiral, okay? There we go. Now we're going to take our round nose. We're going to grip it where we would like to have a nice size loop. We're going to go the opposite way of our spiral, okay? Okay. So there's our little charm. Can you see it on my anvil there? Now with your nylon side, because we don't want to flatten it, we just want to harden it. Woo! Not send it flying. I heard it. Where did it go? I'll be right back. I gotta find where that went. Okay, I'm back. I found it. So, we're holding it with our finger and we're just hardening it with the nylon side of our hammer, okay? okay? And you want to do the loop as well as the spiral. And when you do to one side, you do to the other. And if you find that it moves on you, no worries, just tighten it up. Okay. And then give it a harden again. And don't let it pop out of your fingers. And there you go. You've got a handmade little spiral charm. I use these on charm bracelets all the time and on earrings. I just find they're cute and quick to make. And yeah. So, that's how you do it. If you liked the video, hit the like, make a comment. You can also go on my Facebook page and show me what you've made using our little spiral charms. Facebook page is Little Gems Creations 1. So yeah, subscribe and all that. And enjoy your handmade little charm. Talk to you later. Bye now.